Welcome to this video. I'm excited to show you this video because I think that you're going to get huge amounts of value from it. I'll make it fairly short and snappy and to the point, but what I'm going to show you in this video is a really good niche. In fact, I'm going to show you two of them and I'm going to prove that they're profitable even before you get into them. And I'm going to show you a really cool way of doing your keyword, not so much your keyword research, but how you can make sure that you're going to rank for a keyword and which keywords to go for first. So this is a quick ranking guide. If you want a quick ranking guide in 2021, this will really help you with your niche sites, Amazon sites, and show you a way to validate the niche really quick, a simple way of doing it. And also when you're picking your first lot of keywords and you're sort of thinking, well, I know that they get a lot of searches, but how can I rank for them? I'll show you how you can do that and make some money quicker. So this will benefit you if you're starting out with Amazon and you want to get making money, or if you struggle with your Amazon sites. Do this method with your existing Amazon sites and you'll be able to get them fired up again and making money. Also, just to mention, do check out this link. I've put it below in the description, this website that you're seeing on the screen. This is for you. It's an offer that will not be available for long. I'm going to take the page down soon. I've just put some more time on the timer. Quite simply, if you want to have all the content that you need with really great niches, PLR content for the entire year, this is a way that you can get 12 PLR packs, one delivered every single month for an entire year in some really great niches. And if you like this video, you'll love what you get inside, because I show you the PLR, I show you how to rewrite it, I show you how to use it. You can use it as an addition to your site, or you can use it to build the site quickly. I'll show you how to rewrite it. There's all the keywords, there's how to use the niches. So it's worth getting in just for the niches, but you get all the content with it as well. So each pack gives you 10 PLR articles, 2,000 words per article, and all the keywords and all the information. And there's a membership in there where you can get all the help that you need. And if you just want to get going, you want some great niches, you want the content, do grab it. The only catch is it's available for 2 days and then I'm going to take it down. It's an offer that I did primarily for my people on my list, but I've decided to extend it to anyone that watches me on YouTube as a thank you, and because I think it will really help you. So do check this video out. It was done as a very special offer, so you'll be able to see there. And you'll be able to get in, and wait till you see the price. So it's ridiculously low priced, but it's only available for a short while. So if you like the sound of that, PLR packs, 12 of them, all the information you need, all the help you need on how to use them, all the keyword research, come and join us. It's only available for a short while. So the page, this page that you're seeing here is below. If you click on the link, watch the video at the top, this one, and then you can go for it or not. Okay, but I'd love to see you inside. I think it will really help, and I think you'll love it if you like this video. Okay, so check that out, and without further ado, let's have a look at this method that you can use, not just to pick a niche, but how you can rank really quickly. So grab a pen and paper and let's get to it. Okay, so this video will show you a really simple way that you can pick a great niche, and you can also get all the keyword research done for you, and you can pick the keywords that you're going to rank for. So this will help you. You know, when you're building, you know, when you know that you've got a good niche area but you're not sure if you can rank for it, you're not sure if it's worth your time, this will solve all of the problems for you. So I recommend this video to you if, number one, you're a complete beginner. Follow this. It will help you. It will get you making sales in the quickest time. The other person that it's for watching this is if you've got sites that you just can't rank, do this, okay? Because it will help you. It will get your sites ranking, and it will allow you to pick keywords that will work really well. So the first thing is, on the actual niche that you're going for, how I recommend you pick it to get started is to head over to Flipper. Okay, the reason I'm a fan of this method, you've probably heard it before, is because you can just search for Amazon, you can go for websites, establish and starter, and then just make sure you've got blog and review selected, and that will only bring up blog and reviews and Amazon sites, okay, and other stuff as well. AdSense gets in there and so on, but primarily niche sites, okay. and then I tend to leave all this stuff. I might narrow down at a later date, but I tend to leave it all and just have a look what's out there. And here's the thing, you can see the whole site, you can see how old it is, you can see what it's sold for or what it's selling for, and you can also see the entire site and all the keywords. But there's more to it than that. So what I've done is I've picked out this site. I know it's a 4-year-old site. The other one I had my eye on was this one, so you can check that out. Pro Hoverboard, really good niche, and $88 per month, asking price of $2,000. That will probably go as well, a good one there. So that's a one worth keeping an eye on. But I picked this out just to show you as an example. So when we go over to the listing, you can see all the details and everything. So the main things that you're looking for on the listing is the organic searches, because you need to know that primarily it's getting organic traffic, which this is, and direct will be people coming back. Okay, if you found 100% social, that's something a little bit different. Okay, they could be using software or Facebook groups or something like that, and it's a different strategy. But you know that if you've got primarily organic searches, you know that it's doing well on the organic search, and they will always include a lot of their stats. Okay, so you can see here, you can normally see how many posts it's got on. You can see like social media. I mean, this has only got 34 followers on Facebook. Simple WordPress site, and the main thing is you can see all of the keywords that they're targeting. So when we go to this site, so you can see here $4,600, 94% organic traffic, 4 years old. And when we go to the site, you can actually see all of the stuff. Okay, so you can see the posts, you can see the guides that they got on there, you can see the about is just all legal stuff, but you can see the exact all the stuff that they're targeting. Okay, everything. And what I recommend that you do is one of two things. Number one, you could replicate this site. I don't mean copy, but you could go for something similar in layout and just start using the keyword research that they've done for you, because you know they're ranking and you've got all the information you need if you wanted to. So the quickest way is you wouldn't even need to start using any keyword tools. You could just follow suit and target the same content as this, and obviously write your own content for it. Okay, the other way, which I also recommend if you're a beginner, is to pick one area. So what I've done is fish tanks. You could build a site on fish tanks, and you can see all the keywords that they targeted. But what you want to do to make sure that you can actually rank for it is pop over to a good keyword tool. For the sake of this video and simplicity, I'm using the free version of Ubersuggest. I know there's better tools out there, but I just want to show you. So we know that they've got content about fish tanks. What you want to do to make sure that you can rank on the keywords is you want to look on Ubersuggest and you want to see like fish tanks here. I mean, the SEO difficulty isn't too bad. So use this SEO difficulty score as a pointer that will let you know how difficult it is to rank. I know there's better tools than Ubersuggest, but it still gives you a really good look at, really without doing anything even more research, you can see at a glance how difficult it is. Paid difficulty, the higher that is, I've said this before in a video months back, if something has got a high paid difficulty, it means people are competing to be there. So that's worth keeping an eye on. It means it's a good keyword normally. But you can see here, one thing that stood out here is fish tanks 30 gallon, fish tanks 100 gallon, 50 gallon, 75 gallon. Loads of searches for all of them and very low SEO difficulty. So once you've found a keyword that you like, you can grab it, and I'll just show you, and you want to type it in quotes. Okay, and you can see here that there's only 962 results that are competing for that exact keyword. Now let me just say, because the SEO people will be on at me, little disclaimer, this is a very, very simplified way of doing keyword research. I know that that doesn't mean it. All it's telling Google there is to search for pages that contain that exact phrase. Okay, so the reason I'm telling you to do it like this is because you can spend ages on SEO stuff and keyword research and not get anything built and up there. Okay, this will be adequate, especially because we know it's a good niche. It's on Flipper, it's selling. or any niche that you look at that's on Flipper and selling, we already know that it's getting organic traffic. We already know it's a good niche, they're making money, and we already know what keywords they're targeting. So all we're doing here is cementing some of those keywords that Uber suggest as well, tell us a low competition. And what you're looking for really is just to see what's ranking. So you can see right at the top is Pinterest, and then you've got Monster Fish Keepers, okay? So this looks like a review site. It's actually a forum, okay? So this is a forum. You can bear that in mind. Might be worth making a note of that forum as well if you're going to go into the niche. So there's nothing here that's really overly competitive. I mean, you've got a few Facebook posts, but if you did a well-written article on this, the chances are that you're going to rank. And what you can do, you'd obviously format it correctly. So best fish tanks, best 30-gallon fish tanks. Which is the best aquarium for the 30-gallon size or something like that. And then also you want to take into account the related keyword searches if applicable. I mean, you could write a large article targeting all the different sizes, or you could just focus on one article and pick some out from Amazon and do it that way. But that gives you a really good way of finding. You just go through here, make sure that they've got a lot of searches to start you off, like fish tanks in wool, 38 SEO difficulty, 8,100 people a month. These are all great articles that you can write that will link back to your products. And also bear in mind that people will buy for usage. So when they're looking for fish tanks, they will be like best fish tank for tropical fish, or best fish tank for a particular type of fish, and you can get ranked on there. Remember, people buy for, they have in mind what they need before they buy it. That's what I mean, okay? Cheap fish tanks and so on. So a really good niche, and that's what you want to do. A quick run through. Go to Flipper because you already know that the niche is good. Number 2, check out the site and the keywords that they're using. Number 3, either replicate the site entirely or pick an area of the site. Number 4, take that area, so we picked fish tanks, and type it into a keyword tool like Uber suggests, and find the SEO difficulty under 50 or under 40 with searches, okay? Then take it to Google, type it in quotes, and have a look at the competition. If you find loads of high authority sites there, you can just leave it, okay? Or use it a later date. But that will give you a really quick way. Then if you build the site, you've got the keywords that most likely will be easier to rank. Again, there's more that you can do in terms of checking competition, lots more, but as a very simple way, you already know that the niche is popular, and then it will be down to your content. Last thing to say is you need to make sure that before you even attempt the keywords, make sure that you got the product reviews on, okay? Make sure that you got the product reviews on your site. Okay, so I've just picked out here just to give you an idea, aquariums, which is slightly different, but I just want to show you, you need to make sure that you've got reviews on your site. The reason for this, quite simply, is number 1, you probably get sales off of the reviews as long as they're well written and done properly, no spun content and so on. You will get picked up and land on the first page for a few of those reviews. I recommend doing 20-30 reviews if you were doing aquariums, which is slightly different, but I recommend going all the way down and writing the reviews for these, you know, the aquarium kit and so on, the stuff that we've been speaking about, like find it and then write reviews for them up to like 20. The reason being is because you will naturally mention the keywords that you want to target through keyword articles in your reviews. You know, if I've got a fish tank site and I've got a section on my site like aquarium starter kits, and I'm going to mention fish tank, I'm going to mention LED lights, I'm going to mention filter pumps, I'm going to mention other things that you can get, and then when you do your keyword content and link back to your product reviews will go higher, and you've got far more chance of ranking for that keyword as well. So that's a big thing, okay? Make sure that you do that, and it will really help you to rank. So I hope that's helped you. That is a quick ranking guide and also a niche selection guide. If you're just starting out, or if you've got sites that won't rank, follow that strategy with a good keyword tool, and then you'll be able to pick keywords that you can actually rank for, that have searches, and do very simple version, but get far more likely chance of ranking and making money quickly. So I hope you enjoyed it. Do come and join us if you want the PLR packs and the training and everything that you need. Check it out below because it won't be available for very long, and the time I might shut this down if too many spots go, because it's, you'll see what I mean. Check out the video, then check out the price. For 12 PLR packs, all the training that you need, it is a very low price. So I hope to see you in there. Alright guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.